Limiting the ability of the media to film police, legal case review. Freedom of speech and police filming, newest case. The newest trend among conservative censors is the prejudice that ordinary people or journalists should not film police officers on duty, especially if they articulate such reluctance in a speech. American jurisprudence knows a lot of cases in this regard, and in the summer of 2022, a precedent arose for initiating the Arizona Broadcaster Association et al. Versus Brnovich et al. Case. On August 23, the Arizona Broadcasters Association filed the claim, and its consideration began in early September. Brnovich acts not as a private person but as a prosecutor, representing a robust police structure. The fact is that the Arizona Broadcaster Association faced a complaint from the police that they can only be filmed at a distance of 8 meters, and at the voiced request, journalists are required to turn off the camera. Such a law contradicts the principle of freedom of speech and limits the media and journalists in their coverage of such sensitive topics as police brutality and lawlessness. Another high-profile case was Glik versus Cunniffe, which ended in favor of Glik, a citizen who filmed the arrest on camera. Such a decision manifests freedom of speech and the right of people to receive support and protection in the media. Connection to the media. In the case of Arizona Broadcaster Association et al. Versus Brnovich et al., police tried to advance HB 2319 and exercise their rights. However, this bill violates the rights of journalists and ordinary citizens to seek protection in the media. The police, in their execution, are representatives of the state and must base their actions on the principles of transparency. The famous activist Al Sharpton speaks on this subject. "We are not anti-police, we are anti-police brutality." Thus, police misuse of HB 2319 leaves journalists and citizens exposed to police brutality and violates the fundamental principles of law enforcement transparency. It is connected not only with the media but also with ethical categories, such as justice. Left alone with the police and without the right to declare their problem to other people through the media or social networks, people feel particularly acute injustice towards themselves.